Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. If you've ever seen those cool vinyl stickers online and thought of making your own, don't worry, it's actually way easier than it looks. In this video, I'll show you how to make vinyl stickers using Cricut Maker. I'm using Cricut Maker 3, but don't worry, the steps are exactly the same for a regular Cricut Maker 2. I'll walk you through everything step by step using the very simple method that's perfect for beginners. Before we get started, make sure we have these supplies ready. Cricut cutting machine, computer with Cricut Design Space app installed, inkjet printer, letter size printable vinyl paper, Cricut cutting mat. Once everything is ready, let's get started. First, open your Cricut Design Space on your device. On the left side, click on the text tool. Now, type whatever text you want for your sticker. If you're new to this, try to keep the design simple. Next, make your text look nice. Choose a font you like and change the text color. Make changes to it until you're happy with how it looks. Now, click on the offset tool at the top. This adds a border around your text. Adjust the thickness, then click on apply. The offset will appear in black by default. If you don't like the color, click on the color box and change it to any color you want. Select the full design, both the text and the offset. Then click Flatten in the bottom right corner. This turns everything into a printable layer. Now, resize your sticker. Since we're using the letter size printable vinyl, adjust the size so the multiple stickers can fit in one page without overlapping. Once you're happy with the design, click the Make button in the top right corner. After clicking on the Make button, you'll be taken to the Prepare screen. This is where everything gets set for printing. If you want more than one sticker, enter the number under Project Copies, then click on Apply. You'll now see how the stickers are arranged on the letter size paper. This helps you to see the final layout. If everything looks good, click on Continue. Next, click on the Send to Printer. Make sure your printer is connected and the printable vinyl paper is loaded. A print window will pop up. Choose your printer from the list and click on Print. Now, just wait while your printer prints your stickers. Once printed, carefully place the paper onto the cutting mat. Make sure it's lined up properly. Go back to Cricut Design Space, choose printable vinyl from the material list and follow the on-screen steps. Turn on your Cricut machine, place the mat near the rollers and press the flashing load button to load the mat. Press the Go button and let the machine cut out your stickers. When cutting is finished, press the flashing Load/Unload button to remove the mat. Finally, peel off your stickers and they are ready to use anywhere you like. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.